Hey, Mike with Marketing Systems by Design here, the channel where we help cleaning business owners generate more traffic, leads, and sales for their business with digital marketing. In today's video, we'll be covering how to reply to reviews for your cleaning business. So let's get into it. So one thing to understand is that you really want to make a priority to reply back to reviews for your cleaning business. Now, a lot of cleaning companies don't even bother with this at all. They don't reply to negative or positive reviews, or they only respond to negative reviews. And if you neglect responding to positive reviews, you miss out on some other opportunities to really help establish credibility and build brand loyalty for your cleaning business. Again, something to think about is that most people that leave reviews for your cleaning business are either extremely happy or are extremely dissatisfied with your cleaning service. Usually people that are in the middle of the road, that don't really have strong feelings, either good or bad, often don't leave reviews. So for those that actually do take the time to leave reviews, if they're positive, you want to reinforce that and thank them for a review. And if they're negative, you want to find a way to rectify that issue. And so it's very important to place a priority on following up with reviews. And at the same time, how you reply to reviews can make the difference of either having people build additional brand loyalty with your cleaning business, or it can work against you and actually push potential customers away. So how you reply to reviews is very important. Another thing to understand is that a lot of people will look at your cleaning services sort of like a commodity, where for a lot of people, they think that clean is clean, and having one cleaning service clean their building or home isn't really that different from having another cleaning business clean their business or home. And so a lot of times the deciding factor of working with your company or continuing to work with your company is how that customer is treated and how they actually feel about your company. So if they leave a positive review and you ignore that, they might feel that you feel indifferent to their business and don't really care about them. And even worse, if it's a negative review or some type of criticism and you don't even address it, it also shows that you're pretty indifferent to your customer's opinion. And if you don't do anything to rectify that issue, it could drive away other potential customers as well. And really, all things being equal, most people are going to do business with a company that they trust, they find as credible, and that they like doing business with. So you want to create as many opportunities as possible to build trust and establish that relationship with potential customers and your existing customers. And actively taking part in your review management and reputation management is one way to do this. So one thing to really keep in mind is that you want to make sure that you follow up with reviews in a timely manner. As I talked a little bit about earlier, a lot of people will leave reviews at the peak of their emotions. And so again, if you ignore them or don't respond for several weeks or whatever the case might be, people that were really excited about your business might lose that excitement if you don't engage with them at that point. And then people that are upset and angry, if you don't try and rectify that immediately, they might just do business with someone else instead. So it's important to really follow up as quickly as possible whenever you get a review, positive, negative, or anywhere in between. So the next aspect we really want to talk about is how to reply to negative or average reviews. This is probably the most important thing to focus on with your review and reputation management, because this can really hurt or help your business the most. Again, in most cases, people understand that a company is going to get negative reviews from time to time. It's almost unavoidable. But in this case, when it comes to your cleaning business, a lot of people are going to pay attention more to how you respond to these negative and average reviews, rather than the fact that you have a negative review here and there. Obviously, if it's a consistent pattern of negative reviews, that's not a good thing and you want to rectify that. But if it's a bad review here and there and you fix it or attempt to fix it, that can go a long way to earning new customers and keeping your existing ones around. So like I said, when it comes to negative and average reviews, it's how you respond that's most important. So a simple process that you want to follow, the first step is to acknowledge the issue. Show your understanding, show that you care. That can go a long way to help diffuse the situation. The next step that you want to do is accept the responsibility wherever possible. Sometimes, obviously, we understand you're going to have a negative review that maybe isn't necessarily true, or the complaint they had is outside of your control. Deal with those as best you can. But for the most part, try and accept responsibility for any issues that come up, because that can help to quickly diffuse the situation. If you're accepting blame, regardless of how ridiculous it might be, it's hard for them to stay angry and continue to attack you when you've accepted responsibility for the issue. Also, again, whenever possible, try to avoid becoming defensive in these situations. Simply just acknowledge the issue, accept responsibility, and then the next step is to try and rectify the situation. So having an opportunity for them to reach out to you, to give you a call, to email you, to give you a chance to remedy the issue and continue to earn their business. So again, sometimes that might be offering a free service, offering a refund. Maybe you add in an additional extra service you normally charge for next time. Or again, maybe you just send your cleaning technicians back out to that business or home to re-clean that specific area that there were issues with. Again, it's going to depend on the customer, depend on the specific situation, but try and think of a way to rectify that issue and make things right for that potential customer. Again, when people see you making the effort to accept responsibility and fix the issue, that's mostly what people are looking for, rather than your company being 100% perfect and never running into issues. So when it comes to replying to the review, you might say something like, "Hey, customer name, thanks for bringing this issue to our attention. We're really sorry we didn't live up to your expectations this time with your service. We understand how that can be frustrating. Please give us a call at your phone number or email us at your email so we can make things right. We're here to help and let us know what we can do." So again, replying with something like that, it gives them the opportunity to reach out to you. Again, you don't want to go back and forth arguing with the customer here in this review section. Just try and take it back offline, take it back to an email or an individual conversation on the phone where you can remedy the situation. That can really go a long way. Now, the next aspect of review management is how to reply to positive reviews. And like I said, replying to positive reviews can be just as important as replying to negative reviews, because this can be a great way to continue to build brand loyalty with your company. As I said, a lot of people don't necessarily distinguish between your company and another. A lot of times it comes down to how the company treats them and how they feel about the company, versus only things like the quality of work and the price of your services. How people feel about your company can make a big difference. So you want to maintain those existing positive relationships as best as possible. And one way to do that is reaching out and thanking people that leave positive reviews and good feedback about your company. It shows that you go that extra mile, that you care about them. And one of the ways to do that is by replying with a customized thank you message for that person. So again, it could be something like, "Thanks for reaching out to us. It's great to hear that you had such a great experience with our cleaning service." And then at this point, you might want to plug another benefit or feature of your service that that customer might not know about. So for example, maybe you do window cleaning or carpet cleaning or floor care in addition to general cleaning of the home or business. And so you might say something like, "It's great to see that you're super happy with our current service. We're glad to hear that and appreciate you. By the way, if you like our general cleaning, you might want to check out our carpet cleaning service as well. A lot of our customers enjoy that aspect of working with us too. Thanks again, and we appreciate your business." Again, you just customize something that they brought up in their review or something that you know is unique to that specific customer. Mention that, promote some other services of yours, and then again, just thank them and appreciate them for their business. It can go a long way to maintaining and building trust. Plus, when other people see these positive reviews and your feedback and thanking them with them, it really attracts other people to leave positive reviews as well, and that creates an upward spiral of positive feedback for your cleaning business. Now that you understand there's a lot of benefits with getting positive reviews, you might be wondering how to get more positive reviews. Well, there's several different ways to do that. First and foremost, you want to ask for positive reviews. It's funny enough, but a lot of cleaning business owners don't implement this as part of their reputation management strategy, and they really either never ask for positive reviews or don't make it easy for customers to leave reviews for their cleaning business. So this is one of the first steps you want to do, is make it easy for people to leave reviews for your business. So you might consider having a review service on your website. There's a lot of different review widgets out there where people can actually leave feedback directly on your website. Another cool feature is that when you have a Google My Business page set up for your business, you can actually make a specific link that will direct people right to where they can leave reviews for your business. So you can Google something like review link on Google My Business page, or how to set up a review link on Google My Business page. And Google actually has a post that will link you right to the steps to do that. Now with that link in hand, you can actually follow up with customers after their initial service with your cleaning business. You might also even consider saving this for when you know someone had an exceptional service, or maybe they left you a compliment in person, but didn't necessarily take the time to fill out a formal review online. Those could be great people to reach out to and send this link and asking them to leave a positive review for your business. There's also automated systems that you can set up. So for example, clients that work with our agency, we help them set up a review management system where they just simply need to upload their client list, and will automatically set them up into an ongoing drip campaign to follow up with these clients, urging them to leave a positive review for your cleaning business. So setting up something like that can be effective as well. Another thing that you want to keep in mind is that once you start getting these positive reviews, you want to use them in your marketing, because this can give you a lot of additional benefits, help improve your conversion rate on your website, and attract more customers to your cleaning business. So there's several different places you want to utilize reviews throughout your marketing. And the first one is on your homepage. This is kind of like the hub for your business, and most people during the research phase of checking out your business, maybe they saw an advertisement and then came to your website, or maybe they came to your website through content marketing and SEO, and they landed on maybe a location page for your business, or an industry page, or a service page. And then from that page, they're going to check out your homepage just to find out a little bit more about your company. And so this is a great place to highlight positive reviews for your business. So customer testimonials, video reviews from your customers, star rating from various review platforms are all great things to highlight on your homepage. Because as you do this, it helps build social proof and credibility for your business, because it's not you talking about how great your business is, it's a happy customer talking about how great your business is. And so that will do a lot better job of selling new potential customers on working with you versus you just talking about how great your business is. Another benefit to getting positive reviews in your marketing takes place on your off-site SEO with Google My Business. And so when you create a Google My Business page, the more positive reviews you have on that page, the more likely it is that you're going to rank higher in local search. And so if you've ever searched for terms like cleaning business near me, or commercial cleaning business near me, or house cleaning near me, or anything like that, typically what happens is Google will pop up a section from Google Maps, and they'll list the top 3 businesses that provide that service that you're searching for. And so one of the ranking factors of being high up in that map pack and being one of the first people shown is having a great amount of reviews and a great star rating for your reviews. And so this is a place where having more high quality 5-star reviews can help you get a great amount of free exposure for your business locally. Another area you can use positive reviews in your marketing is in your advertising. So when you create landing pages that you're sending traffic to, free quote pages or your free estimate pages, putting positive reviews on these is a great way to solidify someone's decision and to help improve the conversion rate of leads that you generate. You can even use these positive reviews in an ad. So for example, one thing we've done for clients is we'll make a review video that highlights various different 5-star reviews that the company has received, and then at the end of that video it has a call to action urging people to visit their website to request an estimate, or give them a call to request an estimate. And again, this can be a great conversion tool, because it's not them just talking about how great their business is, it's their happy existing customers talking about the benefits and greatness of working with that cleaning business. So this is just another neat way to use positive reviews to your advantage to help bring on new cleaning clients. But again, implement these review management strategies. Make sure that you reply to reviews and use these methods for how to reply to reviews effectively, because it can help really increase the chances of new potential customers doing business with you and your existing customers sticking around long term with your cleaning business. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button as it really helps out the channel. If you haven't done so yet, be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications to get the latest updates of new videos we put out to help you build a profitable cleaning business. And if you're struggling to generate leads for your cleaning business, we actually put together a free video training on the top 10 lead sources for cleaning business owners. So if you'd like to download that free video training, there'll be a link in the description below where you can do that. But once again, thanks for tuning in, and we'll talk to you more soon.